Prince Harry of the British Royals facing deportation from the United States after lying about something on his visa application. So where is he going to go? We know that Frogmore Cottage has been given to someone else. They've been evicted by King Charles from there. Prince Harry is facing a legal battle to avoid deportation to the United States because he was caught lying about his history of illicit use of drugs. As legal experts warn, there is no exception for royalty in the US law. The Duke of Sussex admitted his past use of things in his memoir Spare and during TV interviews, which would be enough to have any non-royal person banned from entering the United States. There are now calls for the release of Harry's US visa application to verify whether he disclosed this use before moving to California with Meghan Markle in 2020. A conservative think tank is currently in a battle with Washington, D.C. officials who are refusing to disclose any details, including texts or emails. The Heritage Foundation, based in D.C., is advocating for the release of Prince Harry's visa application to provide transparency to American taxpayers about whether he declared this misuse or not. U.S. immigration law imposes severe penalties for providing false information to immigration officials, including deportation and disqualification from citizenship applications. Former federal prosecutor Naama Rahmani stated to Page 6 that an admission of drug use typically results in inadmissibility. She said that means Prince Harry's visa should have been denied or revoked because he admitted to these drugs and other drugs. Mr. Rahmani, president of West Coast Trial Lawyers, which is based in Los Angeles, added that there was no exception for royalty or recreational use. It is not clear what specific questions Prince Harry was asked during his U.S. visa application process, as the type of visa he received has not been disclosed. However, the ESTA application used by most UK tourists include a question regarding any violation of laws relating to possession, use, or distribution of illegal drugs. In his memoir and subsequent television interviews, Harry acknowledged the use of this. He stated that they were helpful in dealing with his trauma, while one was more for social purposes. The Heritage Foundation is now demanding the release of Harry's visa application. Mike Howell, the director of the Heritage Foundation Oversight Project, argued that the public has a right to know about potential revocations of Harry's visa due to this, as well as any concerns over the prince's vetting process before entering the United States. Experts stated that U.S. visa applications typically get rejected if there is a history of such use. The Heritage Foundation has raised questions about whether Harry received special treatment as a prince, with his wife being a TV star, which they claim would be illegal if that is true, because obviously it shows favoritism and bias. This is by Baxter Dimitri on News Punch. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box